Welcome to the Indian Gulf stateside. I have two master's degrees in economics and have lived across multiple continents across the globe. In today's episode, I talk about Bitcoin and how there's two countries that have really looked at Bitcoin in times of crisis. The first one is a more recent one, is Zimbabwe, and the second one is Venezuela. In Zimbabwe, if you've followed some recent political events, there has been a coup on President Robert Mugabe's presidency. Basically, the price of Bitcoin went up and shot up to $14,000, which is a lot more than any international market that values Bitcoin. The transactions have significantly increased over the past a couple of months or so of the transaction of Bitcoin itself. The country itself got rid of its currency and adopted the US dollar and the South African rand as its legal tender. However, it seems like given the price of Bitcoin, people are a lot more confident in the cryptocurrency than anything else. The other currency that I'd like to talk about, or the other country, I apologize, that I'd like to talk about is Venezuela. Venezuela recently went through hyperinflation, political crisis, so on and so forth. A lot of folks within Venezuela have started mining the cryptocurrency. This goes to show, case in point, given the two countries, that there is a significant interest in mining of the cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. What will be interesting is if cryptocurrency is adopted in the futures market within the US. I think that will kind of legitimize the currency as a whole and move things forward. The only concern that, from my opinion, that I personally have is the adoption or the legality of cryptocurrency down the road. There's been conversations with India or within India to kind of make Bitcoin or illegal, and the Supreme Court within India has interfered in the matter. Other countries like China have strongly looked at Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and are considering the legality of the cryptocurrencies. So all in all, at times of crisis, without any government involvement, people are turning to cryptocurrencies, be it to combat hyperinflation, be it to combat political crisis. However, the main concern that I have is, as long as countries maintain the legality of Bitcoin, I think it is a currency or digital currency of choice. However, once that decision is made to make something or make the cryptocurrency illegal, it becomes a point of concern for those that have invested in Bitcoin. Thank you so much for listening to Indian Girl Stateside, and please do look at the comments below, as well as take advantage of Genesis Mining and saving 3% off of Genesis Mining. Thank you so much for listening.